We all know that men and women have unique nutritional needs. Isn't it time to offer your customers tailor-made health support just for men? Men's Vitality Packs combines 3 of our top formulas into convenient, once-daily packs that promote male sexual, testosterone, and prostate health. We started with our premier male sexual health product, Male Vascular Sexual Support. This formula includes a member of the ginger family, which has been shown to support healthy male sexual function and promote healthy male sexual response. Next, to promote youthful testosterone production, we added our best-in-class Testosterone Elite. Combining pomegranate and cacao extracts with luteolin encourages testosterone production and helps support youthful free and total testosterone levels. Finally, our Palmetto Guard Saw Palmetto and beta-sitosterol formula is added to the mix. This formula supports healthy prostate function and hormone metabolism. And Men's Vitality Packs provides a month's worth of these 3 science-based formulas in convenient, individual daily dose packs that are perfect for on the go. So offer your male customers a tailor-made dose of man-centered nutrition so they can finally practice the self-care they need.